we're going to have a look at lenses. There are all shapes and sizes of lenses. They go from fisheye all the way through to telephoto and super telephoto. There are zoom lenses and then there are prime lenses, and they don't zoom, they can only focus on their subject. When you've purchased your camera, you more than likely had a standard zoom come with it. I highly recommend that you buy a prime lens, get a 35mm or a 50mm, and you'll find it really versatile and sharp, clean, beautiful. Try and see if you can actually purchase a prime lens. The difference with a zoom lens is that instead of walking backwards and forwards, you can zoom in and out. Whereas a prime lens, you literally physically have to move in and out. But buy one all the same. I'm sure you'll really appreciate that. So here is some examples of some focal lengths being shot. So here's a wide angle, and then it's moving up, and you can see the buildings in the distance there coming closer and closer. The quality of the lens that you purchase will make a big difference to the images that you take. And that's what I showed you before when I put my finger through the camera, that there's nothing between the subject and the sensor except the lens. So buy a prime lens, keep your zoom lens obviously. They are all different and they all have their own unique things that they can do. So let's have a look at some of the different reasons why you'd have different lenses. So one, let's say for landscapes, a landscape would be a wide angle lens, let's say 24mm or 35mm. What you'll notice with lenses as well, the edges will curve in. There'll be a bit of what they call vignetting, where it gets darker on the outside depending on what aperture you use and the lens combination. So you find what's comfortable for you. For portrait photography, I recommend 85mm or 105mm. If you do purchase a prime lens, you can use a 50mm. You can take some portraits with that. You can take portraits with a 35mm if you'd like as well. The standard for portraits is 85 or 105. When you're shooting an event, you may want to zoom in from across the room and take photos of some of your guests when they don't know they're having their photo taken. Always a lot of fun to show them later. So there you would use something like a 70 to 300mm zoom, or you could use a 70 to 200mm zoom, or a fixed 300mm is a bit expensive. So more than likely for you guys, maybe a 55 to 200 or something like that for your first zoom lens, and you can have a lot of fun with that, zooming in on people. The other type of lens is there's a macro lens, and this is where you can take photos of insects, you can take photos of small things. It's also very handy to have. Some people specialize in this and their work is beautiful as they take photos of flowers and the insects. It's like another world opens up. Then there's medical, of course, and dentists use them. Even in surgery, they have them on the end of an endoscope. It sort of wiggles through your body and it has a camera on the end so the surgeon can see what's going on. Fascinating. And that's lenses.